North, Westmoreland, wherever they get messed up and things. Why the government don't try to help those people to rebuild more than giving church? Where church done have them collection and them insurance and everything, we can help themselves. The JPS, them have give them how much meal, where them can help themselves. And the poor people, them now will mash up and asleep and a chapati and everything. Why him don't help those people? But when them want them vote, they will find the people them vote at 1, 2 o'clock at night, them that they engage.
Anyway, them
people
are.
Gate. So now the people them get mashed up. Mighty God, man, help out the people them will understand you can't build everything there, everybody one time.
No.
But at least help them out, man. That's a disgrace and a shame. Look how much donation, how much money, how much stuff. Them people donate to them.
Hold on, Tiny. You have to respond to this. Jambisco, you're telling Tiny, you're saying Tiny to go and take medication.
Me take it already.
Hold on, Tiny. Hold on.
Disrespect.
Hold on, let me understand something here. And a person, a human being, is telling another human being to go and take medication.
No, I'm saying me take it already, that's why me can't chat.
And Tiny, this is what I'm talking about, you know. That demonstrates a certain level of illiteracy.
Illiteracy. You're right.
That is demonstrating a certain level of illiteracy that is unheard of. How can a human being? I've seen the young, tiny baby, 1-day baby, born with all kind of different disease. And you in your ignorance, telling somebody to go and take medication, you're hopeless.
Mr. Abraham, you know what you said, they never take for them cuss and cuss PMP. Anything them I tell you, that them I do, that them to go do take for them medication.
Tiny, don't answer to them, please.
Come in, Patch. Hold on, Tiny. Come in, Patch.
Good afternoon.
Hold on, Tiny. Come in,
It's
Patch.
my afternoon now. It's my afternoon.
Yeah, man.
Now.
Are you afternoon now?
Pertaining to this, pertaining to this disrespect these people keep doing, right? Seabreeze have his live the other night, and I just passed through and I see they sending some disrespect text messages in the box. So a guy said to Seabreeze, let Pacha Gray monitor your life. You know, one of them, I don't know this girl from Adam's Apple. I don't know her. Call herself Navi, but her name is not Navi because it spells N-A-V-Y. That's Navy. That's okay. Navy. Right, that's Navy. I don't know how she get Navi. Right? She's gonna write in the box, Pacha Gray should go monitor his mother. She don't know my mom. She don't know my mom. Yeah, you understand? These things is not correct. What they are doing, it's just show a level of intelligence. These people are less intelligent than even a little baby that born. That's why I think that's why they praise this man so much, because this man is the most intelligent person. That's why they have to be praising him so much, because I remember he was walking with some person and a woman should shake his hand and the woman say, I'm not shaking your hand, because all you're doing is stealing the money. And what he says to the woman, the word is not stealing, it's pilfering. So I need to know what is the meaning of pilfering then, because I'm so dumb.
No, you don't call those thieves, you call those like pilferage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So this is the intelligent level these people has in their life. So all they know to do is tell you about your mom, your family, and all these rubbish, you know?
Duns. Absolute duns.
No, it's not absolute dunce. I'm sorry.
Dunce.
But remember the full word is fully dunce. That's the full word. You know?
Talk about people.
Yes, that's why them God tell them to them fully done.
Yeah,
No,
fully done.
Guys,
It's
she
not
said I'm
absolute
done.
done. It's fully done.
let me say,
I
good-
say
let me say,
SYM. That's all. Got to tell me all of them are read a book. And me tell them say they not live to all. They not live to reach my age. My mother died at 89. And me live to say, my mother live at 89. They not live because they cost old people too much.
Tiny, relax. You don't talk about them. Them don't place the emphasis on them. What they try to do, they distract our focus when they do things like those. That's what they try to do, they distract the focus. King in the place, morning king, morning king. Come in, Mikey, what's up?
you know what, I want to say bless up to all of my real people on the platform, you know.
Morning.
Mr. Ingram, I am going to apologize to you and the people on the platform. But Mr. Ingram, I could not stand by and hear a man disrespect you, Mr. Ingram. Because I know the first time when the disrespect reached me, people like you, Cash, and the man say, alright, natural, we see what you do the first time. Calm. And me try my best, me hold it. But when they did it a second time, when they did that about my mother and my daughter, Mr. Ingram, me have to tell you the honest truth, I could not. After when a man get hurt twice, you can't give me third time because that name burial. See, in my ways of living, you know, one of the best defenses attacking up. But you see,
King
when
in
you
the place, morning.
When you attack them the time they know, they not like because you not hold no bars, you know, you just have blaze the fire and burn out everything left, right, center, up, down, and don't give a shit. You burn concrete, steel, zinc, and lava, you have fire. And then everybody start ball when they start burn them like that. So, Mr. Ingram,
Mikey.
Oi,
Mikey.
brother.
No, me, but yeah, me no want to jump, but guess what? Me not even go there so long, but guess what? Put me on the big screen, cause guess what, Mr. Ingram, me get me there at the place. And can show the place me there, so. We there on the farm, man. We there on the place where we are putting in the work. You know? So we not when we come forward and we shoot, you know. Like most.
Alright, Mikey, I want me to come in.
Alright.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Yeah, give me a minute, Mikey. We make a talk.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
See which part we there?
Yes. I please that. Gossa, man. Rain and sunshine appropriately.
You know, and
so the fruit are going to produce.
Respect for all of who we are. Man, see the green we have. See the green we have where we have around we.
Nice. Portland in all its beauty, man. Portland. In all its beauty, man. Now pass you one
day. Right now.
Yes.
So,
I don't know the real grand follow that.
The vibe where we there right now, and one of the mindset where we see a permeate in our people. And I fellowship here I'm there. So that time I know way to Moortown and them places up there, so that's what I'm there. So let me say this. That's why it resonates more and more with people. So.
Hold on, man. Go ahead, man.
We need to take care of we. You get me, sir? And the first way how we take care of we are love self is to feed yourself properly.
Very important.
Right? So that's the focus we want to know for when more persons move back to the vibration here. Because we see one polluter we can't remember. We say we must separate yourself from among them. We movement where we know as Rastafarianism, where we people are used to tell them say separate.
Yeah, break up little king, Yeah, move it, you change the location. Boy, look at the fog, man. Look at the place cool, man. Foggy, man. That's a
Fertile.
nice cool breathe that breathe through your lungs. That's good for your lungs, you know, King.
Nice.
Yeah, break up though, yeah, break up. But good to see you, man. Good to see you. Keep up the good work. We'll pass through the farm one of these days.
All
Alright.
One love to everyone. One love to everyone. And this way I this.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man, respect. Keep up the good work, man. Keep up the good work. That's what it's all about.
Me like that.
Yeah,
Me
man.
like that.
Keep up the good work. Yeah, man.
Going
Keep up the good work.
If say going up to Moortown, Rio Grande Valley. That. All right, cool. Yeah.
About 20 acres, I put in a rent a yam and all them something.
Yes,
man.
Yes, because Portland fertile for that. Them fertile for that.
Green and evergreen, man. Evergreen. You finish your point, you were making.
Yeah,
you finish your point, you were making. You finish your point,
yes, as I was saying, Mr. Ingram, better they attack me, better they attack Sekasha and them people. But when me hear the attack turn to you now, me have to say no, sir. So, me know why you feel the way. Me have to burn the lava there for your thing, because you know what, we are purge the place. And one of the things we know find out is that allegations of pedophilia make against that same one.
Okay.
And this a film same set of people them get him out of the country without facing certain things.
Okay.
So may I say the right words, you know? Allegations, you know.
Yes.
May I say the right words?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
From what we have seen, that party is a party of a multitude of some kind of people where it is so hard to construe because there's no standard over there. So, as I'm end this to say this like this. We need to stop talking to some type of people who's dirty, who has nothing to contribute to the upliftment. You know?
Josie Lips.
Morning, Josie Lips. Big up Josie. We need to concentrate on speaking to uplifting our country. Speaking to build. Just like King Caiaphas come on this man and show us, yo, see my project, yeah? We need to start doing things in our program. We need to dump off the garbage and the grass mite them and embrace people who have moved positive rasta. See?
The grass mites.
Yes, but we need to dump off the grass mite them, man. We are come with them because they are trying to debate.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes.
They are trying to debate
so
facts.
Much.
You know, Mr. Ingram, they are trying to debate facts. That is their hard-line facts. And we have to stoop down to them level, them man.
No, we ought not to.
As of now,
garbage
should
be treated as garbage.
Garbage should be treated as garbage. Maggots should be treated as maggots. And that's there. So
I totally agree. Because while we are arguing from a place of facts, we can bring documents and tell them where to find it. They can never do the same for us.
They can't do the same, General. So as of now, we need to start dump them off to where they should. Relegate them to the garbage heap and the maggot heap, Rasta. Let us be progressive in our movement.
Let them stay there.
Mike, it's so true.
Yeah, man.
Remember that night we were on Ball Alive and them are right and them are suck mother and this and lift up so and all that. And Mr. Mike, you know what? Let's change this conversation. We're gonna go in the history of the Jamaica Labour Party, the CIA report. Which in me no need to talk about the CIA because I live the CIA report.
Yeah, and I dived in and
as soon as we say a lot of people, none of them can. They don't even write an next word in the box. They couldn't talk.
They can't relate.
But if they're smart, it's the same playbook being used right now with Venezuela.
Exactly.
It's the same playbook.
Okay. Same playbook.
And that's the same thing when we say history repeat itself.
Yeah.
And this is the same playbook from those times come back to now.
What's the latest?
Mr. Ingram.
Yeah.
Mr. Ingram, plenty of them know the truth, you know. They knew the truth. They knew what's go on from Buster days, coming up to Thiago days, but they're just stifling them conscience and be buyers because they just want their people, their God to look good.
Yeah.
And wrong is wrong and right is right, but they cannot say wrong.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
Ingram.
Yes,
Ingram.
Mikey.
Good morning.
Yeah, Mikey. Morning, Mikey. Pin. Go ahead, Pin.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Pin.
All right. Good morning again. I think that man was saying disrespect, Me wonder if he tell that man Mackenzie he go take medication. Cause apparently him are the one I think need medication because I can't remember his statement when he
can't remember when he said.
But what me really want to know, but me beg you to correct me. Say when Desmond Mackenzie talk about the shelter, when the people are happy evict the shelter. So why if you correct me, I think Ian Hills is come out and say it can't be where the people are go and him spend a voice on it and say it is wicked by the government to do that because the people can have nowhere to go. But since Desmond Mackenzie come out and make the statement saying never see so, me not hear none of the PMP MP them take him to task on it. So me not know if you hear anything on the ground, because me not hear them come out and say take Desmond Mackenzie to task on it, saying he never said that. But when he did say so.
I think what's his name? Mr. Warming Fish when beat him, man. But me say Mr. Warming Fish confront him about it.
Okay, okay.
Man. So if you notice, our people, we don't even talk about it, because he own liar stab him in his own back.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
So we don't really even need to mention it because the light was so blatant. Even pastors coming out and beat him.
Yeah, okay. But so, sometimes I hear some a few MP them feel lick out when them make some incorrect talk and them thing say are we the people, really oppress this government upon certain things,
True.
And I keep them in and I fact check them, Are we the bloggers them have fact check the government, Not so we need to hear the voice of the MP them.
Me know, but here I know me G. How we start look at that and we call a spade and that a shovel.
Yes. Right.
Now if we if everything where they say we are run go talk and make nice, what go happen? They must say we are politics. We are play politics. No.
Not only that, we'll waste time. We'll concentrate, wasting time.
Right.
And irrelevancies and important matters are not dealt with.
Now, if you notice the hurricane pass, right? And if you notice, we see two couple house given to some people. I see Data and I see Lisa. I see our people on the ground doing the work. If you notice, you don't see for them people, But the latest thing now was after the unaliving of that little 4-year-old boy, you see Malalu enough nice. Gone down there with loud ear and I tell the people them not to disrespect the government and make the process work. No, I have a problem with that. You're supposed to guard the family go console. She didn't even know the name of the child and the child's name is being broadcasted 24/7 on the radio to show their ineptitude and their lack of consciousness for the people. It's like they don't exist in the Jamaican sphere. You understand me? So sometimes, our people need to go out there and make a strong voice. Nevertheless,
morning extreme.
When they are stabbing their own selves in their heart and in their back, sometimes you have to step back and make them do it because we keep on telling the people these things and they are not listening to us, Mijie.
And guide me.
Right.
So Jam and Pin, remember, we never try to fabricate nothing and tell these people. The JLP has told a bunch of lies to claim to them win our election. Up to now, we don't hear not about the 32,000. We talk about it one day before the election, G. Up to this minute.
Okay. You talk about that. You talk. Hold on. You talk about that.
Yeah.
Hold on. Remember on the campaign trail. They say 110 school buses come. That was a big thing. And from the 50 school bus come now January and the rest of them can't reach Jamaica.
No man, Melissa.
And that was a big thing for the camp.
Melissa. No man, Melissa.
So how the
Melissa,
JPS new truck them reach already?
Melissa,
Yeah,
but
So how the JPS new truck them? Remember say that the one point.
Melissa stop the truck them, but the ship come. Melissa stop the all bus them from come, but ship come now. Ship come there.
Remember the ship come. JPS truck. Remember say JPS. Remember say 300 JPS truck come to 300 JPS truck come.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on, I'm offering a bet, that you're not gonna hear about these buses until 2 years from now, When the local government election comes up.
Yes. That's when we'll hear the big talk about it again. Close to the local election.
You are the accountant in the thing, But the $1.4 billion pay out already. The 1.4 billion no pay for the bus them already.
That's what they just said, yeah.
Almost zero.
Yeah, the $1.4 million pay for the bus.
Almost zero make a billion. What? 12 or 9? How you go? Make a
9.
And 9 zero make a billion, right? Okay, so go into some calculation.
Yeah.
There's a 1.4. Me like this. Me like this. Them say $1.4 billion. Yeah? How much are them again?
110.
110.
All right.
110.
All right. This is nice. So because we want to make sure. Come on, calculator, don't play. 1.4. How much zeros I make a billion? 9? Okay. So that's
9.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What's up? 3, 6. That. So 1 billion there, 9 0 come up, 9 figures come after that. 3, 6, 1. So that's 1.4 billion. Are we gonna divide that by how much bus? What bus again? How much
110. 110. 110.
110. 0. We are divide. Why? Hold on. You.
If 110 boss. You see they 1.5 chairs still left. Chairs still are gonna left.
I'm saying to you guys.
We're not talking
Hold on.
Sure.
One at a time.
Alright, so 1.4
in the discussion,
billion
hold on, one at a
divided,
time.
and they say the bus costs 110,000. What did they say the bus costs?
The quantity is 110. You need to determine what price is now.
1 or divided by 110. Right? So, hold on. Make me sure I see right. Because this look like 12 million each one bus. One old 15 to 20 year old bus.
No man, hold on, you're missing it, man. It come with warranty, it come with spare parts, and it come with refitting.
Hold on, you mean